As we look around here, the beautiful scenic view dito nga sa San Fernando, Pampanga. This is game number 3 of the quarterfinals round ng Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament dito sa 2023-2024 Delta Cup as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. As can another team, the second team, qualify for the quarterfinals round 2 as makikita natin Pau Lakindanum, the towering center, the Letran Knight himself of Angeles City Red Warriors, looking to qualify. Makakatapat niya dito itong si Francis Galura and the rest of Caloguran Santa Rita looking to live to fight another game. And that is our game at hand between the Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Caloguran Santa Rita. Ako po ang inyong makakasama for this ball game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa and together with me, manning the sidelines, walang iba kundi si MJ Raimundo. We will hear from her later on. But syempre, let's take a look at where these two teams sa team standings ng Bracket A. This is a battle of the 1 and 8. The number 1 seeded team of Bracket A, Angeles City Red Warriors versus the 8th seed team, Caloguran Santa Rita. Can we see itong team ng Santa Rita have a Cinderella run dito, or will itong Angeles City Red Warriors continue their masterful run dito sa Delta Cup and qualify for the quarterfinals round 2? And that is our game story when both ends meet between the number 1 seeded Red Warriors of Angeles City kontra itong ang number 8 seed team, Santa Rita. And syempre nga, the Heartbreak Kid looking to break another heart dito. And hindi na namin kayo pag-aantayin pa kasi coming up, it's the battle between the top-seeded Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Caloguran Santa Rita. And to introduce the starting fives of both teams, let's turn it over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid.
Once again, Delta Cup fans, welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament Playoffs. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asha. Catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. There's gonna be our third game for today. It's the battle between Angeles City Red Warriors and your Caloguran Santa Rita. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Angeles City Red Warriors. Starting at point guard number 18, Jansen Henson. Also at guard number 22, Kid Estalilia. Forward number 21, John Martinez. Power forward number 31, Sam De Jesus. And center number 3, Pau Lakindanum. Head coach for Angeles City Red Warriors is John Ocampo. Assistant coaches, Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, and Earl Morales. Team manager, Mr. Val Peña. And now let's meet the starters for your Caloguran Santa Rita. Starting at guard number 28, Jano Di Jos. Also at guard number 8, Ivan Bernarte. At forward number 9, Ivan Gunlao. Also at forward number 21, Jamon Buen. And center number 1, Justin Escobar. Head coach for Santa Rita is Aaron Lagsamana. Assistant coaches, Louis Vincent Nueva, Peter Enriquez Jr., and Marty Ocampo. Team manager, Mr. Reynan Calo. Game official, George in action, Dennis Escaros, Michael Galotera, and Erson Birds Ezuga. This is your...
And here are your starters of the game for Caloguran Santa Rita. They start with Escobar, Buan, Guanlao, De Jos, and Ivan Bernarte. Para naman dito sa panig ng Angeles City, they start with Henson, Lakindanum, Martinez, Sam De Jesus, and the Heartbreak Kid himself, Kid Estalilia. Can the top-seeded Angeles City Red Warriors continue their dominance dito? Will itong Caloguran Santa Rita live to fight another game as the Heartbreak Kid immediately fires from deep and he misses. The Luwid Kapampangan connection dito for Angeles City still continues dahil nga Lakindanum and Estalilla both don the Luwid 1 Kapampangan jersey. And meron pang bumabalik for them. Also another Luwid 1 representative who played for Sinag Liga Asa, Ramil Balantad. Nasa bench din nila finally. So hindi lang mag-isa ngayon itong si Kid Estalilla unlike the previous games nila. But ito, they just turns it over, a steal by Pau. The toss-up, Martinez saves it to the wrong man. Here comes Santa Rita. De Jos attacks, drops it off, and Buwan hits the layup. And speaking of Luwid 1, itong si Jamon Buwan is actually kamag-anak ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan, the team owner and head coach of Luwid 1 Kapampangan. So some lineage from these two teams right now playing. Here comes Buwan, natapik. Gives it to Guanlao. Back to De Jos. Janu kicks it to Jamon. Back to Janu. They give it to the middle. Guanlao. High-low play. No good yung tira doon. Para kay Bernarte. Henson. Tries to go baseline to John Martinez. Ends up with a turnover for Angeles City. So 2-0 pa rin. Still scoreless. After a minute and 30. For Angeles City. Of course, this is the third game of our Friday quadruple header dito. Mamaya ang ating main event game. Susunod. What a rebound right there for Lakindanum. Di nga lang niya mahawakan na maayos. Lumabas yung bola. Ball will go dito sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. As we can see, Assistant Coach Peter Enriquez acting as the head coach right now for Caluguran Santa Rita because wala. It's Coach Double A, Coach Aaron Laksamana. Foul is whistled underneath. Correction, out of bounds, Landau. Coach Peter Enriquez Jr., the assistant coach, now becoming the acting head coach of Caluguran Santa Rita in the absence of Coach Double A. Lakindanum steps in, turns it over. Janu on the run. They don't have the numbers, but he still attacks. Kicks it, Ivan. Back out to Janu. Guanlao. Jamon. Buwan will attack. Jamon flips it up. No good, bothered by the length. One of the best shot blockers, Paula Lakindanum. Martinez to Estalilla. Kid kicks it out to Henson. Henson fires. Couldn't knock it down, but De Jesus is there for the offensive rebound. Martinez, three-pointer, still no go, no field goals pa rin, or even a point for Angeles City as Bernarte nearly got that layup to go after a beautiful drive. Sam gets stripped by Janu. Referee says, natamaan niya ang braso dito ni Sam De Jesus, so that will be a foul. Whistle the Janu De Jos. That is not in the act of shooting according to our referee, so this will just be a baseline inbound for the men in white. John gives it to Kid. Estalilla playing point, gives it to Henson. Different Kid Estalilla we've seen here sa Delta Cup compared to Sinag Liga Asia when he played for Luwid 1. A known scorer siya doon. Dito more of a passer, but he misses that scoop layup that time. 0 for 2 now for Kid from the field. Janu, three-pointer. Off the mark. Here comes Angeles City. Lakindanum. Tries to spin. Good defense by Jamon. Pau, two up fakes, and that's the first basket for Angeles City. Credit the Letran Knight himself, Pau Lakindanum. Oh, good pass by Janu. And Bernarte just hanging around the dunker spot, getting the easy basket. Ivan Bernarte, naiwan na lang doon. Martinez, he'll attack, scoop layup, no good. Off and running ulit itong mga nakaitim. Oh, nabitawan ni Bernarte yung bola. Henson kicks it to Martinez. To Kid, gets stripped. It was fouled by Ivan Bernata. That will be his first personal foul. And now let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for her report on both teams. MJ?
Thank you, Enzo. Improvement and strong teamwork, yan ang pinagandaan ng dalawang koponan. Angeles City is on the number 1 spot, while Santa Rita is on the number 8 spot. But according to head coach John Ocampo, even they are on the number 1 spot, they still need to focus on their defense, push their limits, and execute their transitions well. While on the other team, assistant coach Peter Enriquez Jr. of Santa Rita said na marami silang improvements for today's game, both on their offense and defense. Pinagandaan nila ang playoffs dahil medyo tough ang kalaban nila since their opponent has a big advantage for the semifinals. Hindi naman kami pwede magpatalo. What we need now is to get the win and finish it with pride. Back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. And that's wise words from assistant coach Peter Enriquez, or should I say the acting head coach right now of Caloguran Santa Rita, na finish with a win and execute. Yun talagang importante, especially for if you're an 8th seed team battling against the number 1 seeded team. And we've seen a lot of upsets with this type of format as agad-agad pagpasok dito ni VJ Rojas. Pull-up jumper ang pumukol and that ties the game at 4. A little bit of a low-scoring ball game from these two teams who are known to score points in bunches. As speaking of, kakasabi ko lang, Jamon Buwan with a beautiful dime to Ivan Bernarte. Rojas. This time he attacks, tries to kick it out. De Jesus jumper. Rojas with offensive rebound. Kid. Wants some space. Pick and roll sila, but he decides to fire. Estalilia off the glass shot, no go. Bernarte drops it off. Guanlao jumper is good. Back-to-back mid-range jumpers para dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. Coach Peter Enriquez manning as the acting head coach right now for Caloguran Santa Rita. Again, in the absence of coach. Let's take a look at this beautiful pull-up jumper right here from Guanlao. Another substitution right here para sa panig ng Santa Rita. Francis Galura comes in. Three-pointer right here. VJ Rojas, 5 quick points off the bench. Galura to the cutting Guanlao. Jumper is good. On target itong mid-range jumpers ng Santa Rita to start off this ball game. Kid, the lob to De Jesus, the favorite connection dito ng Angeles City. Estalilia to De Jesus. They got fouled and Sam will go to the line for 2 free throws. Let's take a look at this beautiful dime right here. From Galura to Guanlao. 6 points now para dito kay Guanlao. Sam got fouled earlier in the eye in the sky attempt. Knocks down the first free throw. 1 out of 2 for Sam De Jesus. Janu kicks it to Jamon. Natapikan. A steal for Angeles City. Estalilia. He will... Oh! Missed that gimme layup. They just nearly lost it. De Jesus with the board. Kid was 0 for 3 now from the field. Estalilia, big steps to the basket. 0 for 4 now for Estalilia. Here comes Galura behind the back. Francis lost the basketball. Matakbo na naman ang mga nakaputi. Kid to the cutting De Jesus. And the connection once again pays dividend para dito sa Angeles City. This time, end one naman ang kanilang ginawa dun. Let's take a look at that give-and-go play between Sam De Jesus and Kid Estalilia. And this is a 3-point play opportunity the old-fashioned way for Sam De Jesus. 3 points now to his tally. Make that 4 points now for Sam De Jesus. 11 to 10. 1-point lead for Angeles City Red Warriors. 2 minutes and 43 seconds natitira. Ating first period. Gilas kicks it, na turnover niya yun. De Jesus gives it to VJ. Rojas saw Escobar trailing from behind. De Jesus from the outside. No good battle for the rebound. Escobar clears it. Galura kicks it to De Dios. They swing it to Gilas. Galura to the middle. Jumper again. Ivan Guanlao. 8 points now. All mid-range jumpers. You can say the mid-range master. As Timbol fires. Off the mark. Good box out right there. From the black shirts on Lakindanum. Dalawa. Nagtulungan para i-box out si Paul Lakindanum. Guanlao, this time dinikitan na De Jesus, but still automatic para dito kay Ivan Guanlao. What will Angeles City answer? Rojas kicks it. Timbol, same spot. Still out of sync for Timbol. Oh, 3-on-1. And Janu. Sorry, missed there. Good tap. Dali dito kay De Guzman. Rojas to De Jesus. Had to adjust in the putback. No good, pero he was fouled. Sam De Jesus will go back to the free throw line. He is 2 out of 3. Take a look at this beautiful fadeaway jumper. Galing dito kay Ivan Guanlao. Automatic on lock. Mid-range master badge. Para dito kay Ivan Guanlao. As a substitution, Paul Lagman comes in for Angeles City. Pinalitan niya muna itong si Paul Lakindanum. Manarap to din doon si Sam De Jesus. Pinalitan itong si Joe Marinaco, itong si De Jesus. So the second 5 para dito sa Angeles City is in. Only Guanlao and De Dios are the only 2 starters on the floor for either team. Guanlao kicks it. Lois fires, no good. Lagman clears it for the men in white. But he nearly turns it over. Buti na lang. Last touch daw doon. Ito si Lois Gilas. This is some of the fans in attendance dito. As De Guzman misfires from the outside. Rojas, he'll try and knock it down in Galura's face. Namang na ulit dito ang Angeles City, 16-14. Janu. Oh, that's the first miss para dito kay Ivan Guanlao from mid-range. What will Angeles City do for the final possession of the quarter? Timbol kicks it. Naku swings it to the corner. VJ tried to draw the foul. No whistle from our referees. Diyan magtatapos ang ating first quarter action dito. A 2-point advantage para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. We can see some of these first quarter highlights. That was the first bucket of the game coming by Jamon Buwan, and ito yung counter ni VJ Rojas. He has 8 points to his tally. Talking about VJ Rojas of Angeles City, but para naman dito sa panig ng Calogurang Santa Rita, it was Ivan Guanlao talagang nag-init, especially with this beautiful fadeaway mid-range jumper. Nothing but net for Guanlao, but itong Calogurang Santa Rita find themselves down by 2 points against Angeles City Red Warriors. 16-14 is our score after the end of the first period.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasasports@gmail.com or send us a message to our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. Sino ba ang makakalaban ng defending champions Pampanga Delta? The returning teams such as Parañaque Pelicans, Luid 1 Kapampangan, and Hustle Rising Suns. And ang brand new team nga sa Sinag Liga Asia, ang Camarines Norte. And also, another question to pose here. Will we see some of the players na naglalaro dito sa Delta Cup? I'm talking about players like Francis Galura and Sam De Jesus kapag-suit up para dito sa panig ng mga Sinag Liga Asia teams. Of course, there are already some like Kid Estalilla and Ramil Balantad na naglaro na. I hope there's more players dito sa Delta Cup na makikita natin. Kaya nga, dahil napakaraming talented na teams and also talented players. Just like this guy on the free throw line. Itong si Francis Galura. Last time he faced this Angeles City Red Warriors, dropped 15 points to lead the scoring for Calogurang Santa Rita. He misses both free throws that time. Ball with a big rebound. Guzman gives it to VJ. We go to the post. Naku wants an ISO at the low block. Joe Marie puts it up and in. Wow. Beautiful move by Joe Marie Naku. What will Santa Rita answer? They swing the ball around. Corner three-pointer. Oh, there's a foul dun sa tres ni Ventura. Howard will go to the free throw line, shooting 3 free throws. The foul is whistled dito kay John De Guzman. Once again, you can see Coach Peter Enriquez Jr., the acting head coach. As of a couple of seconds ago, dahil dumating na, ito si Coach Aaron Laksamana. Coach Double A, medyo na-traffic lang daw sa pagpunta dito sa venue. But nonetheless, Coach Peter did a good job in that first quarter, keeping in step with Angeles City. So far, si Ventura went 2 out of 3 from the free throw line. Oh, sorry. 3 out of 3. Itong si Howard Ventura. 18 all ang ating score. De Guzman swings it to Timbol. Timbol couldn't knock it down. 0 for 3 na siya from the field. Edward. He'll attack the scoop layup. Bitindid. Over 4 now. So both Estalilla and Edward Timbol combining 0 for 8 to start off their ball game dito. Galura. Oh, turnover right there for Ventura. Here comes Naku. Gives it to De Guzman. John will fly. Just couldn't get the basket to go. Lagman bodies up and knocks it down, plus a foul. What a strong move galing dito kay Paul Lagman. Reward the big man who's running down the floor, and look at that, bulldozing his way through the basket. Getting the end one play for Paul Lagman, and Angeles City back up by 2 points, 20-18. May bonus free throw pa dito si Lagman. Couldn't knock down the bonus free throw though. 2 minutes have gone by dito sa ating second quarter. Oh, good tap from behind by De Guzman. Estalilla. Good dishing. Medyo nag-ala D-Brown dun si VJ Rojas, ha? No-look layup. Oh, loose ball right here. Save to Galura. Francis, pull-up jumper off the mark. Ito, tumatakbo na naman ang mga nakaputi. Estalilla, veer step. Layup, ayaw pa rin. Over 5 now for Kid Estalilla. Buwan gives it to Ventura. Block right there by Lagman. Naku, tumatakbo. He has Lagman on his right. Joe Marie. was fouled. Is it gonna be on Galura? Is it gonna be on Galura or Hubinal? They say it's on Christian Hubinal. That's his first personal foul as Coach John Ocampo will sue for time. His team is up by 4 points, 22-18.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Ito po yung last game nung nagkatapat itong Angeles City and Santa Rita nung elimination round, and a dominance showing galing dito sa Red Warriors, 80-58. They want to replicate that, talking about the top-seeded Angeles City Red Warriors. But itong Kalugurang Santa Rita, they want to bounce back and live to fight another game kasi if they lose, they will bow out of the tournament. The Guzman being hounded. Ball spins, triple teamed. Kicks it to Naku. 9 seconds on their shot clock. Joe Marie wants a pick and roll. Naku, step back triple. Way off the mark. As the Guzman try to keep it alive, but to no avail dahil napunta sa black shirt yung bola. Hubinal tried to go to Gilas. Natapik ni Lagman yun. And the ball sails out of bounds. It will remain dito sa panig ng Santa Rita. You can see Coach Double A, Coach Aaron Laksamana. Now, with the team, medyo na-traffic lang daw si Coach Aaron. As Christian fires. Short, but Buwan is there. Niluwa lang ng ring. A sorry miss right there. Para dito kay James Buwan. As finally, Estalilia scores his first 2 points of the ball game. Unti-unti na nakukuha na itong Angeles City yung kanilang rhythm. Oh, Ventura nearly lost the basketball. Gilas kicks it to Galura. Francis. One-handed floater off the mark. Buwan with the putback. Beautiful turnaround hook there by James Buwan. Might have even gotten hit. It's Aaron right there at the end of the bench. Rojas gives it to De Guzman. John kicks it to VJ. 6 seconds to shoot. VJ pulls up. Couldn't knock it down. James with a rebound. James Buwan asking for a substitution. He's holding on to his eye as Lois Gilas attacks the basket and it was fouled, and he'll shoot to the line for 2. Lakindanum will come back in. Nalabas muna ito si Paul Lagman. Also coming in for the first time, itong si Jacob Valoria sa pangin ng Angeles City. Also itong si Sonny Boy de la Cruz comes in para dito sa Santa Rita. As Gilas knocks down the first free throw. One out of 2 para dito kay Lois. Jacob kicks it to Kid. DHO. You swing it over dito to Lakindanum. Double team. Pau rips through. Pau drops it off. There was a foul on a black shirt as Joe Marinaco got 2 men flying. Good time right there by Pau Lakindanum. 5 minutes and 18 natitira sa ating second period. Joe Marinaco with 2 free throws right here. Knocks down the first one. Re-extends their lead to 4. Two for 2. Kompleto para dito kay Joe Marinaco. 5-point lead for Angeles City. Rubinal kicks it to Ventura. Lois, back to Christian. 11 seconds to shoot. Christian pulls up. Off the mark, and Naku corral the rebound. Ball will remain dito sa panig ng Santa Rita.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot for the men in black. They swing it over. Galura, three-pointer, still off the mark for Francis. He'll try again. Finally, never missed twice daw itong si Francis Galura.
Francis Galura.
Locked and loaded for his first 3 points of the game. Jacob gives it to Pau. Free throw line jumper is pure for the Letran Knight.
Foul again, Jonathan.
4 minutes and 18 natitira sa ating first half. Look at this. Swinging the ball around para dito sa Santa Rita, and they knock down the three back-to-back triples for Francis Galura, and that forces Coach John Ocampo of Angeles City to suit for time. Nakababa na naman itong Santa Rita ang kalamangan to just 1 point after this exchange of baskets. This was the free throw line jumper kanina ni Paul Laquindanum. And then counter three-pointer, the second of a back-to-back threes for Francis Galura, cutting the lead down to just 1 point, 28 to 27.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. As we can see, Francis Galura, 15 points last January 25. And nung end ng elimination, or last game nila, February 24, 26 points, 4 assists, and 2 steals. That is a player to watch para dito sa Calogurang Santa Rita. And he has already hit back-to-back triples. Got the lead down to 1. Laquindanum at the post, double team, fouled, whistled here.
Holding foul on number 5, Sonny De La Cruz.
It's gonna be on Sonny De La Cruz ang foul.
Correction, that's a second. 14 fouls.
Baseline inbound for the men in white.
Shot clock 11 seconds.
11 seconds, 14 seconds to shoot. De Guzman, oh, good inbound play right there for Angeles City. Easy 2 points para sa kanila. Oh, and a steal here. Pau on the run, stripped away by Hubinal. Christian gives it to Gilas. Lois to Galura. To Guanlao. Partially deflected there yung jumper niya ni Laquindanum. As Lois Gilas puts it up and in for some second chance buckets. De Guzman hands it off to Baloria. Kid demanding the basketball. Di nila mabigay. Finally, they get it to him. Estalilia wants to work. 5 seconds. Pulls up. 0 for 4 now from three-point range. Ito si Kid Estalilia. Si Coach John Ocampo, the head coach of Angeles City Red Warriors. Oh, from way downtown. Oh! What a shot there from Francis Galura. 9 continuous points right now for Francis Galura. De Guzman. They give it to Estalilia at the post. Natapigan sa likod. Santa Rita up by 2. They give it to the hottest man on the floor. Hubinal. Kicks it to Guanlao. Fakes the handoff. Fires the jumper. The ball sails out of bounds. Ball will go back dito. Paning Angeles City Red Warriors.
John Martinez for John De Guzman.
As John Martinez comes in to the game for Angeles City. Oh, Valoria from way downtown. Off the mark. Pass was tapped, but finally Galura clears it to Santa Rita. Gilas three-pointer. No good, and Pau with a Kalawit rebound. Martinez. DHO with Valoria. They give it to the middle to Lakindanum. Pau attacks the gap. Lakindanum, big steps to the basket. He draws a foul.
Pushing down on right. Ivan Galong, his second penalty.
Foul is on Ivan Guanlao, and dahil penalty na nga, it will be 2 free throws din for Pau Lakindanum at bago siya mag-shoot ng free throws. There's a timeout on the floor, down by 2 ang Angeles City, 32-30.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
We can see on your screens the Heartbreak Kid himself, Kid Estalilia here. His best performance is 22 points last February 10. 10 points and 11 assists. One of his double-double performances dito. And again, a different Kid Estalilia nakikita natin dito sa Delta Cup. Much more of a facilitator role compared to when he played for Duwidwan Kapampangan, when he was paired up with Mr. Everything, CJ Buetison, where he was a scorer there. As Galura, oh, good block there by Martinez. Lakindanum, oh, beautiful behind the back. Pau to the basket. Kicks it to Sam. Back to Martinez. John. Oh, look at that hustle right there. First to the floor, ito si Hubinal. And it leads. Oh! Lakindanum protects the paint. What a denial right there para dito kay Pau Lakindanum. Coach Aaron Laksamana will call for time. Let's take a look at that chase down by Pau Lakindanum right there. One of the best shot blockers here in Pampanga. Pau Lakindanum standing tall and denying that shot. There's a timeout on the floor. They are down by 1. Itong Angeles City 31 or 32-31 is our score. 43.4 seconds natitira sa ating first half. Coach John Ocampo talking to his players, trying to regroup. The number 1 seeded team dito sa bracket A ended the tournament, or ended the elimination round with an 8-2 record. Baseline inbound para dito sa Santa Rita. Galura to inbound. Finds Sunny. Oh, and the lucky bounce goes in for Sunny Boy de la Cruz. Balik sa 3 ang hinahabol dito na Angeles City. This guy needs to heat up again. Kid kicks it to Valoria. Jacob. Floater is good. Great play call right there for Estalilia and Valoria. Guanlao passes to Galura. Francis, who had 0 points in the first, 9 points in the third. Kicks it to Hubinal. To Gilas, the jumper. Off the mark. Diyan magtatapos ang ating first half action dito sa Delta Cup. The 8th-seeded team, Caluguran Santa Rita, find themselves up by 1 point, 34-33, as we can see some of the second quarter highlights. That was the beautiful, strong drive galing kay Paul Lagman. That was the first of the 3 consecutive threes na pinukol dito ni Francis Galura. Ito yung pangalawa niya. Heating up is number 13, and ito yung beautiful floater in the middle para dito kay Jacob Valoria. But itong number 1 seeded team na Angeles City Red Warriors find themselves down by a single point, 34-33 against Caluguran Santa Rita. Magbabalik po tayo for the second half dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes.
(34-33), a 1-point lead for the 8th-seeded team Caluguran Santa Rita kontra sa number 1 seed ng Bracket A ang Angeles City Red Warriors at the half. Ako pa rin po ang inyong mga kasama, Enzo Galaros, as we can see dito ating halftime highlights, and not a lot of 3-point shooting from these two teams. It's just PJ Rojas who knocked down 2 3-pointers. But dito naman sa panig ng Caluguran Santa Rita, yung 3-3 sunod-sunod ng second quarter ni Francis Galura, talagang nagpakamada sa kanila dito, and that's one of the 3 consecutive threes dito ni Galura. Dito tayo nagtapos kanina ng ating scoring, yung beautiful off-the-glass floater ni Jacob Paloria for Angeles City Red Warriors, who are still down in this ball game by 1 point. As we can see the leading scorers right here, Guanlao leads all scorers with 11. Sama pa ng 9 points ni Galura and Bernarte with 4 points para naman din sa panig ng Angeles City. Rojas leads them with 10, De Jesus with 6, and Lakintanum with 5 points. And the missing link for Angeles City is their star scorer, the Heartbreak Kid. But we all know this guy, si Estalilla, can score in bunches, especially from the 4th quarter. As Paula Quintanum scores there from the post at nabalik ang kalamangan dito sa panig ng Angeles City. As a 3-pointer, Galura knocks down his 4th triple of the game. 12 points now para dito kay Francis Galura. Siyempre, batiin din natin ang mga boss namin sa Sinag Liga Asia. Nanonood ngayon ang ating Chairman, Sir Rocky Chan, our President and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, our business head, si Boss Mark Arago, Ma'am Janice Chan, Ma'am Mariel Araw, and of course, our Commissioner, the Slasher himself, Com Rodney Santos. Of course, happy watching po sa mga boss namin dyan sa SLA. And siyempre, mamaya-mayang main game daw natin, meron daw special guest as Lakintanum rejects the shot. Whoa! Ivan Bernarte just keeping the possession alive for Santa Rita and getting the second chance points there. At yun nga po, Mga kabalin na manonood ng main game, meron pong special guest na manonood mamaya as Bernarte with back-to-back baskets. 8 points now for Ivan Martinez. Emergency pass to Rojas. Estalilia. Kicks it to Lakindanum. Pau at the post. Pau spins, fires. No good. Look at Bernarte with a sigh of relief there because he was against a taller Pau Lakindanum. Galura, heat check. No good, and Kid with a running start. Estalilia on a 3-on-2. Dishes it off to Martinez. 7 minutes and 50 natitira sa ating third period. 41-40 ang ating score. Bernarte has 4 points in this quarter alone. Pulls up. That's short. Estalilia, the baseball pass. Masyado nga lang malakas. But Rojas saves it. VJ to the cutting Kid. No looks it to the wrong man. Galura pulls up. Too strong. Here comes Lakindanum. Pau is fouled by Guanlao. Contradictory to their elimination round matchup. Etong Santa Rita putting up a fight dahil yung elimination round at start of the third quarter, dun umalago itong Angeles City. This time it's a 1-point lead for Angeles City as Sam De Jesus knocks down that jumper to retake the lead. Look at the pressure defense being applied here by VJ Rojas. Janu rejects the screen and draws a foul on Rojas. That'll be the first team foul of Angeles City.
First team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot for the men in black. Gilas. Give and go. Oh, beautiful passing from Gilas and Guanlao. Give and go to another give and go. Lakindanum, DHO with Estalilia. Kid attacks, tries to kick it out to Rojas, nearly turns it over. Ball stays dito sa panig ng Angeles City as Jacob Valoria comes back in, replacing VJ Rojas. Take a look at this double give and go right here from Gilas and Guanlao. Lakindanum tried to barrel through, draws a foul against two. Pau Lakindanum really trying to will his team in this ball game as I feel like they got shocked by the way Santa Rita is playing, but that's part of the appeal ng playoffs. You don't know what's going to happen. A number 8 seeded team like Santa Rita has a chance to knock off a steamrolling number 1 team like Angeles City. We've seen that happen in the world of basketball multiple times, and will we see it here? That is the question, and that is the dream netong Kaluguran Santa Rita. Janu. Kick out pass. Oh, beautiful jumper from the mid-range master, Ivan Guanlao. Here comes Lakindanum. Steps through. Gets the basket but nullified yun dahil traveling daw si Pau Lakindanum that time. Coach John Ocampo on your screens. As right now, let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for her update on the two teams playing in this ball game. MJ?
Thank you, Enzo. Grabe yung presence ni Coach Aaron Laksamana for today's game. The way he motivates his players really gave a big impact. Sabi nga ni Coach Aaron, today is a different story. We want another game. We want game 2. Kung strong start tayo, dapat strong din tayo matapos dito. Take your time, focus on your goal, and nothing to lose. Back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Of course, Coach Aaron Laksamana, a wizard in terms of coaching. Talagang magaling yan mag-motivate I experienced that firsthand when he was still the head coach of Luidwan Kapampangan, and they matched up against a all-star studded ICC Blue Hawks in a 21 under tournament a couple of years ago. Ito nga, this time he's trying to lead etong Caluguran Santa Rita to the promised land as Galura pulls up, knocks it down for his 5th triple of the ball game. On fire, etong si Francis Galura, 15 points to his tally. All triples yung kanyang ginagawa. Jacob spins, kicks it out, Martinez fires, bang! And binawian niya si Galura, and Francis and Martinez. Both John and Francis are laughing at each other. Two shooters exchanging triples right there. Oh, beautiful steal by Kidd. Bullet pass to Martinez. Martinez flips it up and in. 5-0 personal run now for John Martinez. And a 3-point lead for Angeles City. Gilas dribbles through traffic, loses the basketball. Here comes Baloria. Jacob to De Jesus. Nawala din sa kanya. Wild sequences right now. Galura spins, puts it up. Shot went in, but sabi ng referee, no countdown, then the foul was on the ground. Galura holding on to his elbow. A bit shaking up itong si Francis Galura. Let's take a look at this layup by John Martinez. Medyo malalim yung kanyang dukot ton, but nonetheless still good for 2 points for John Martinez. Galura, see a little bit of a grimace on his face.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
Janu. There's a foul gonna be whistled here on Jacob Baloria. Trying to fight off the screen. James Buwan comes back into the ball game. He'll replace itong si Escobar. Francis sizing up his defender, step back triple. Off the mark for Francis Galura, and he's asking for a substitution right now for Coach Aaron. Baloria manning the point, gives it to Lakindanum. Spins, attacks, puts it up. Ayaw pa rin for Pau. Estalilla will reset. Kidd. Crossover, pull-up jumper off the glass, no go. Pau creates some space. Lakindanum puts it up and in. 5-point lead now for Angeles City. 2 minutes and 45 natitira sa ating third period.
Substitution, Jamon Buwan for Francis Galura.
Jamon Buwan and Howard Ventura come back in to the ball game. They'll replace Galura and Guanlao.
15 seconds on the clock.
15 seconds to shoot for Santa Rita. Janu to inbound. De Jos kicks it to Buwan. Jamon against Pau. Good strip by Lakindanum. Pau on the run. Nearly lost it, but Baloria gets it back. Oh, Baloria then turns it over. That'll be a foul whistle here on John De Guzman. That'll be the 14th foul. Para dito sa, or 13th foul, correction, 13th foul on only on Angeles City. (53-48). Janu. One-handed pull-up is a miss. Rebounded by Sam. Here comes De Guzman. John, the layup, gets it to drop. Great attack there. Galing dito kay John De Guzman. Napako sa 48. Itong Santa Rita as Howard Ventura, as I say that, gets the basket plus a foul on that drive. take a look at this crossover and the flip shot galing dito kay Howard Ventura against two defenders pa dun. Joe Marinacu comes in. He'll replace Sam De Jesus. Ventura completes the three-point play, cutting the lead down to just 4. 55 to 51. A minute and 53 natitira sa ating third quarter. Kidd was yet to put his imprints in the ball game. As Estalilla scoops it up, ayaw pa rin for Estalilla. Those are the shots that he has been making. This time, out of sync ito si Estalilla, but he gets a steal. Kidd drops it off to De Guzman. Good passing lane defense right there from Jamon Buwan. Might have saved 2 points there. Would have been an easy bucket kung nakaabot yun kay De Guzman. Lagman. Fakes the pass, natapikan sa likod. Joe Marie. Kicks it to the corner, wide open three-pointer for Baloria. Out of sync pa rin for Jacob. Look at the pressure defense being applied here by Jacob. Ventura the cross. Half spin, step through. Oh! What a move right there. Galing dito kay Howard Ventura. Two-point lead being protected by Angeles City. Estalilla. 11 seconds on their shot clock. Kidd up, under. Off the mark, off the side of the backboard for Kidd Estalilla. Not the evening that Kidd Estalilla was expecting here. As John Martinez comes back into the ball game together with VJ Rojas. They replace Baloria and Estalilla. 4 seconds to shoot for Angeles City. Martinez fumbles the pass. Martinez from way downtown, off the mark yun. And the shot did not hit. Tumatakbo itong Santa Rita. Jamon. Challenged there by Martinez. De Guzman to Rojas. One dribble, pull up. No good. Buwan tries to save it to the wrong man. John, natapikan ni Howard. Martinez fires off the mark. Wild sequence right there. That is how we end this third period right here. With some wild sequences from both of these squads. Na ibalik nitong Angeles City ang kalamangan sa panig nila. +3 ang quarter score in favor of Angeles City dito. We can see some of these third quarter highlights. John Martinez with that layup on the fast break. Eto nga, Galura knocking down that pull-up three-pointer earlier. Ito yung counter ni John Martinez, part of that 5-0 personal run niya kanina in this third period. Kaya nga, lamang na ulit ng 2 puntos itong top-seeded Angeles City Red Warriors, 55-53, entering the fourth and final quarter of the 2024 Delta Cup quarterfinals round.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. As we can see here, Francis Galura, 15 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists. All 3-point makes po ang kanyang mga puntos dito. Threes in bunches para dito kay Francis Galura, but his team, itong 8th seed Santa Rita, is down by 2 points dito entering the fourth and final quarter. Can they live to fight another game and upset, possibly upset itong Angeles City dito? Or will the top-seeded Red Warriors finally wake up? First possession of the quarter goes Caluguran Santa Rita. De Dios thought about the long bomb. Gilas, no hesitation. Estalilia with another rebound. Kid. Tunaku, step in three-pointer. Oh, ho, ho. Some sweet string music right there para dito kay Joe Marinaku. It's a turnover for Santa Rita. Here comes Estalilia. Kid. Tunaku, back-to-back ba to? Too strong that time. Good box out there by Janu De Dios. Janu fires. Off the mark. Tapi ka ng bola. Gilas keeps it alive. Buwan. Oh! What a block there from Paula Quindanum. Estalilia. The kick to Rojas. Rojas, three-pointer. Off the mark. Buwan. Block by Pau! Back-to-back blocks by Paula Quindanum. And De Guzman with an easy layup. That is why he is the prize shot blocker of Angeles City. Talking about the Letran Knight himself, Paula Quindanum. Back-to-back rejections. And nakaalagwa na ng 7 puntos itong Angeles City. 60-53, 8 minutes and 42 seconds natitira sa ating laro.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
So we can see on your screens the dynamic duo of Angeles City. Itong si Kid Estalilia and Paula Quindanum. But let's take a look at that rim protection. Galing dito kay Pau. That was the first rejection. And ito yung pangalawa. Galing kay Paula Quindanum. The Letran Knight. Talagang pinapakita ang kanyang rim protection dito. And kanina sabi niya, hopefully he gets to play next year for Letran again, suiting up for Letran. Of course, what a duo it will be if he pairs up with Kevin Santos. Watch out, NCAA, kung sakali. As Rojas with a rebound gives it to Laquindanum. Pau with a running start, stripped away by Ventura. Janu gives it to Jamon, and finally Jamon gets a layup. Nanlaki mata ni Buwan nung wala dun si Pau Laquindanum sa gitna. It's a tight ball game, just a 5-point lead para dito sa Angeles City. Kid kicks it over to Rojas. And that's Joe Marinaku. Fishing expedition ang kanyang ginawa doon.
First team foul sa kanila.
Naku to the free throw line. Joe Marinaku starting this onslaught para dito sa panig ng Angeles City. May nakikita ako, umawak na ng camera dun sa baseline. Umu-all around siya. Panel kanina, ngayon camera naman ha. Talagang sulit ang pinapasahod sa kanya ng liga. Back to the ball game, Enzo. Back to the ball game, Enzo. De Dios gives it to Guanlao. Ventura. Oh! Ho, ho! Beautiful footwork galing dito kay Howard Ventura. De Guzman kicks it to Estalilia. Kid kicks it to Naku. Already hit one in this quarter. Make that two for Jomari. An 8-point cushion para dito sa Angeles City. Ventura gives it to Escobar. Back to Guanlao. Jumper. In and out. Tapikan ng bola, napunta kay Ventura. Gilas, back to Howard. 9 seconds to shoot for the men in black. Janu fires. Backhands that one, but bola pa rin dito ng Santa Rita. Gilas knocks it down. They refuse to go away in silence. Estalilia all the way to the basket. Ito na ba ang fourth quarter entrance ni Heartbreak Kid? Janu fires, still out of sync. Oh, what a pass there by Ventura. No looks it to Guanlao. Every time Angeles City thinks they're gonna put this to bed, Santa Rita has an answer. As De Guzman, no good from the outside. Janu. They give it to Gilas, back to De Jos. De Jos attacks. Turns it over, Estalilia on a 2-on-none. Kid, unselfish. Papunta na kay VJ Rojas. What an unselfish play there. Galing dito kay Kid Estalilia. Not shooting well, not his usual point production, but wants to get his teammates involved. It's Gilas. Baseline jumper off the mark, and Lakindanum corrals the rebound. Unti-unti nang napupuno itong BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Estalilia tried to lob it to Naku. Masyado mababa nga lang. Janu tries to split the defense. Counter steal right here. Naku, Euro step, layup, no good. There's a foul will be whistled here on John De Guzman.
Foul number 19.
Third personal whistled here on John De Guzman, at papasok ulit ito si John Martinez. Together with Jacob Valoria, upo muna si VJ Rojas and John De Guzman. Ivan Bernate comes back into the ball game. Ventura looking to dance with Estalilia. Howard, stop and go. Emergency pass, turns it over. Valoria to Martinez, no dribble needed. Beautiful bounce pass galing dito kay Valoria. Martinez didn't need to dribble to get to the basket. 9-point cushion para dito sa Angeles City. 4 minutes and 10. There's a foul on John Martinez. Natamaan niya sa mukha. Ito si Francis Galura. Let's take a look at that beautiful bounce pass. And like I said, no dribble needed para dito kay John Martinez. Ito naman ang bounce pass na yun ni Jacob Valoria. There's an offensive foul whistled on Howard Ventura, who's been playing well, but that time, a crucial miscue para dito sa Kaluguran Santa Rita. Valoria cuts to the basket, drops it off. Pow! With an easy 2 points, the first double-digit spread of this ball game. Galura. A little bit silent after that second quarter explosion. Only 3 points to his tally. As Ventura misfires. Martinez now una. Martinez with a touchdown. What a finishing run para dito sa Angeles City. 13-point lead, the biggest lead of this ball game. Let's take a look at this. Extra pass, tic-tac-toe play para dito sa Angeles City. And ito yung touchdown pass to John Martinez to put their team up by 13 points, 75 to 62, 3 minutes and 28 natitira sa ating laro.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Sinag Liga Asia goes to Visayas. SLA Born 2004, 19 under category, and SLA Born 2007, 17 and under category. April 2024 na. For those interested in joining, please message us on Facebook or pwede nyo rin po i-contact ang aming Deputy Commissioner for the Visayas region, the Master of Disaster, Coach Paul Joven. And speaking of a disaster, finally, Jano de Dios stops the bleeding para dito sa Santa Rita. They find themselves down by an 11-point margin. Kid. Miscommunication with Lakindanum that time. If Santa Rita wants to make a comeback, they must go now. Guanlao fires off the mark. Ball's loose. Guanlao gets it. Galura thought about the three. Baseline jumper. Off the mark pa rin. Tapigan ng bola. De La Cruz gets it. Guanlao. Jumper. Knocks it down. And the lead is back down to 9 points. 75 to 66. Napatawag na timeout agad si Coach John Ocampo. After a 4-0 burst galing dito. Santa Rita. That layup right there by Jano de Dios cuts the lead down to 9, 75 to 66.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
PBA Legends in Sinag Lakas 40 Basketball Exhibition Game March 10, 2024 in Paint Branch. Sa Maryland po yan magaganap. Some PBA Legends will be playing there. Such as EJ File, John Ferriol, and the captain Alvin Patrimonio together with our President CEO Boss Ray Alaw and Commissioner Rodney Santos as John Martinez agad-agad slashing to the basket pagkabanggit ko kay the slasher. De Dios knocks it down. Finally, a lifeline para dito sa Santa Rita. There's still hope if you're Santa Rita. Kid to the basket. Bitin lang for Estalilia. Janu gives it to Guanlao, who has 19 points to his tally. And Sunny draws a foul on Lakindanum. That's one way to score over Pau. Attack him head on. Minute and 45 natitira sa ating laro. Can this be a last heave para dito sa Kaluguran Santa Rita? Because their tournament lives are on the line. (77-69). We can see Coach Double A, Coach Aaron Laksamana on your screens. There will be a reshoot here. Lane violation daw si John Martinez.
Substitute free throw for Sunny Cruz.
Sunny can have a substitute free throw right here. Sunny Boy to cut the lead down to 7. Off the mark pa rin. And this time, player naman ng Santa Rita napituhan ng lane violation. How rare do you see that? back-to-back lane violations, one from each team. Estalilia gives it to Valoria. Jacob. A minute in 40 natitira dito sa ating laro. Jacob. 90 seconds natitira as Estalilia once again breaking hearts that time. 10-point lead ulit para dito sa Angeles City. Janu, good defense. Galing kay Naku and a steal for Martinez. John, to Kid. No looks into Joe Marie. Back to Martinez and John Martinez with an easy layup. 12-point lead para dito sa Angeles City. What a finishing run para dito sa top-seeded team. Struggled all game long, but back-to-back layups. One from Estalilia. And eto naman, unselfish passing galing dito sa Angeles City, leading to a John Martinez layup right there. The coup de grace for Angeles City right here. 12-point lead, 81-69.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
You can follow all of the games, lalong-lalo na dito sa playoffs ng 2024 Delta Cup sa Pampanga BIO Facebook page. Live po tayo dyan. Dahil nga po, this is the first day of the quarterfinals, round 1, as we can see the mammoth crowd here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. May mga balloons pa. May mga nakikita rin akong drums dito. Excited na sila for the main event game of the evening. But etong third game natin did not disappoint. Angeles City with a 12-point cushion right here with less than a minute remaining in the ball game. Galura kicks it down low. Jumper is short para dito kay Guanlao. Nanlamig itong si Ivan Guanlao from mid-range. And the best believe a basket here for Angeles City will be the dagger. Valoria gives it to Naku. The layup no go. Martinez put back. Ayaw pa rin. Estalilia clears it for Angeles City. And that'll do it. Angeles City will move on to quarterfinals round 2. Di na nila titira dito. Uubusin na lang nila ng oras dito. What a finishing run para dito sa Angeles City Red Warriors. But syempre, let us give credit dito sa panig ng Kaluguran Santa Rita. They fought hard. They battled hard. And even to a point na pinakaba nila itong Angeles City dito sa ating laro. As the celebration starts now para sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. They advance to the quarterfinals round 2. They will join etong Fernandino ka, Kayabe ka. As a sign of respect there for Coach Jan Ocampo and Francis Galura right there. And ito nga, what a victory for Angeles City Red Warriors. What a finishing run para sa kanila. That is our final score, 81-69. A 12-point lead para dito sa top-seeded Angeles City Red Warriors. They will qualify for the quarterfinals round 2. At ngayon, kasama ko na ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Pao Lakindanum. 13 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist, 5 steals, 4 blocks. Talagang pinagod mo ko sa stat line mo ba? Wag, grabe. Pero, Pao, dikit yung laro. Simula pa lang. Parang hirap kayo makaalagwa kontra dito sa Santa Rita. Ano yung naging motivation nyo noong fourth quarter para makaalagwa dito sa laro at manalo?
Siguro, kailangan na namin tapusin agad para makapagpahinga na kami. So, sa next round, fresh legs kami. Ayun.
Kitang-kita na ganado ka dito sa laro na to. Especially yung depensa mo. Ang dami mong block shots. Known na known ka talaga for that defensive purpose mo. Ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin ng isang Pao Lakindanum para madala ang Angeles City sa semifinals round dahil nga naka-qualify na kayo sa quarterfinals 2?
Siguro kailangan pang mas sumunod sa sistema ni Coach. Tas maging masipag lang lalo, go for rebounds and mas matinding depensa pa.
May mas titindi pa ba sa ginawa mo dito? Pero syempre, Pao, this is now your chance to give your greetings, your shoutouts, and your thank yous. And syempre, imbitahan mo na rin ang mga nanonood sa inyo na suportahan pa kayo dito sa Delta Cup.
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Sa mama ko na nasa bahay, sa tatay ko, sa mga ate ko, sa mga kuya ko, at sa mga teammates and coaches at sa mga sumusuporta sa Angeles City Red Warriors. At sa mayor namin, si Mayor Pogi Lasatin. At binabati ko si Mama Seng. Yun lamang po.
Once again, congratulations, Brother Pao. 13 points, 6 rebounds, 5 steals, 4 blocks. Kompletong-kompleto po ang statline ni Pao Lakinda ng mga ating best player of the game dito para sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors. Yan po ang ating final score, 81-69. They move on to the quarterfinals. Round 2 dito, but dyan magtatapos ang ating third game kasi coming up next is the main event game of the evening between Apalit, I Love It, and Bayong Porac. But that ends our third game. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa on behalf of MJ Raimundo, Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy Ray De Leon, Direk Ramonchito Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2024 Delta Cup, and I'm saying goodbye and good night.